Hi, this is Vinod from VEEYES. Today I discuss the topic it is the hot topic. All the accountant and chartered accountant, even business owners are suffering for to filing the GST returns. Today is the last day for the month of May. This is the delay video because of I am very busy for to filing the returns. I am filing the GST returns for some customers, even though I am giving the Tally support also. I am one of the Tally partner in Chennai area. If you need any requirement of Tally product, Tally software, and GST returns filing and HSN upload, any problem occurring, please contact me. I will support you. Right, I will come to the point. See, nowadays, if you want to generate the HSN summary, it is not possible for below release. Like most of the peoples are using for Tally Prime 2.1. So now what happen if you are not TSS renewal, so it's not possible for to generate the HSN summary. In these cases, I will recommend to you, please you can renew the TSS and update the 6.0. But why I am telling the 2.0 solution? Lots of the customers are using for TDL program. Somebody for to using in some vertical program, some reports program. If you are updating the 6.0, even though the TDL also you can update. Otherwise, it's not possible for to see the reports. So that's why some customers, my customers also, lots of the customers facing this issue because of I am developed the some programs, some TDL add-ons to the my customers. My customers to generate the HSN summary. If I'm go for release 6.0, all the programs we want to upgrade. Otherwise, it's not possible to run the that particular old TDLs. Yes, now we are created the one good program. It is called as HSN Generate B2B and B2C for Tally old release. Old release means Tally ERP9 6632 up to 5.1. Release 6.0 inbuilt available, but in below 5.12, 2.1 and ERP9, it's not available for HSN summary. So now I will show you how to generate the HSN summary for B2B and B2C from Tally Prime old release and Tally ERP9. So now I have a Tally Prime 2.1. I will teach you how to generate the HSN summary for B2B and B2C. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the demo. Yes. So this is my company. I created display account for self-registered, entered. See, I have created the two B2C transaction, one B2B transactions. So in these transactions, how to generate the HSN summary for B2B and B2C. Just go to display GST report, enter GSTR1. After that, you can go to HSN HSC summary. Now you can see in default Tally, it does not appear for this split basis. Now B2B and B2C, we are splitted. So once if you are export the Excel file, after that Excel file to you can paste the government portal to give the GST offline tool. In that offline tool, you have to receive the all the section wise Excel CSV format files. Okay, in these cases, I copy and pasted the only HSN and some files. Once again, I'll show. Yeah, this is the HSN B2B, HSN B2C. These files is the for generating the B2B and B2C HSN summary. In this file, I will upload my description. Please download everyone. And after that, in Tally, if you are export this file current, you can generate the Excel format. Once if you are generate the Excel format, you will get it this file, right? All the information it is there. So all the details B2B, B2C separate is there. In B2B, Excel file open, it means this is government provided. It's a Excel file CSV format. So in this file, you can all the columns you can copy paste from your Excel file to government provided Excel file. Okay. So after that, this CSV file, that means once if you are completed the all the tables, then you can save it and upload the government provided tool, offline tool. Okay, I don't have a offline tool. Once today I completed two GST returns in Tally old release. Successfully I filed. Okay, so offline tool you can open and then you can add this uh, Excel file like a CSV file. Then you can generate JSON file. That JSON file you can upload the portal. This is the solution for old release. So if you are using for latest release, the Tally was providing the easy way you can upload the returns directly from Tally itself. So as per my suggestion, everyone go for Tally Prime 6.0, but some cases you are using for much more program, or else you are not using for latest release. So in these cases, you can buy this product, buy this Tally add-on and use it. Okay, so this is the solution for right now HSN summary B2B, B2C from old Tally Prime releases. Thank you everyone for watching.